Have you ever noticed how much you rely on your legs every single day? Walking, dancing, chasing after your kids, or even just carrying groceries up the stairs. Our legs do the heavy lifting for almost everything we love. But here's a little known fact. Our legs are often the first to show signs of weakness as we age. That's right, before you even realize it, muscle loss can creep in, making daily life just a bit harder. But what if I told you that you could fight back starting today, just by adding a few delicious foods to your plate? In the next 3 minutes, I'll share the 5 powerhouse foods I rely on to keep my legs strong, steady, and full of energy. Ready to take that first step toward a future where you can keep doing what you love. Let's dive in. Number 1, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard aren't just for salads. They're packed with magnesium and calcium to support muscle strength and bone health. I love tossing a handful into my morning smoothie or scrambling them with eggs. Number 2, salmon. This one's a true superstar. Salmon is rich in omega-3s, which help reduce inflammation and boost muscle repair. Even just 2 servings a week can make a difference. If you're plant-based, walnuts and chia seeds are fantastic alternatives. Up next, number 3, Greek yogurt. With its high protein content, it helps preserve muscle mass while also delivering a good dose of calcium. I like it with berries and a sprinkle of seeds for breakfast. Number 4, beans and lentils. These humble pantry staples are powerhouses for plant-based protein, iron and fiber, all essential for strong, healthy legs. A warm lentil salad or some spicy black bean tacos? Yes, please. And finally, number 5, sweet potatoes. Not only are they loaded with potassium, which your muscles absolutely need, but they're also a great source of complex carbs for lasting energy. Think roasted, mashed, or even baked into fries. Remember, it's not just about looking strong, it's about feeling strong too. Every meal is a chance to care for your future self. Your legs carry you through life's most precious moments. Don't let them down, nourish them, love them, and celebrate what they do for you every day. If you learn something new, or if you have your own favorite leg-strengthening foods, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let's inspire each other. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest, happiest life. Thanks for watching, and remember,